want to really describe this because this talk is not about WebSharper itself, but I put in a couple of slides just so that you understand that we take the language, we compile, we translate what you have written. We analyze the different data values, the data types, the functions you call, and how you call it, and basically we for most of it we can actually automatically translate that to JavaScript, but for a lot of it we need to say, well, this and this .NET function that you just called is equivalent of the following JavaScript. And so we have two different kinds of mechanisms for extensibility. One is extensibility on the .NET front. The other one is extensibility on JavaScript front. And so far we have been saying that, yeah, you can pull in any kind of JavaScript library. That's the latter extensibility. But for the translation to actually take place, we also need the other extensibility, which is how you translate .NET code into JavaScript. And that's what we call proxying. I'm not going to talk about proxying today. So what this slide says is that we have provided proxies for most of F# and some of the standard libraries in .NET. So system.string and stuff like that, the basics and even regular expressions and a lot of other things are proxied. They have been proxied, and therefore you can use it in your code. And basically what this means is if you take pretty much any F# code written against the .NET framework, we'll just translate through WebSharper into JavaScript without any kind of hassles. In case we have a function that we can translate, we'll let you know. And then you can provide a proxy for the function or download some extension that actually is a .NET proxy extension. So it's an extensible development model.
Does that include the union class?
Yeah, it has all the basic stuff and all the